Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut PC to create videos easily for studying or just for fun. So after you download the CapCut PC apps, you can open it and you can click import to import videos, photos or audios you want to edit. So for instance, right, to make a clip you can select elements to drag, so just drag like so, and you can use all the feature from CapCut PC. So you can split the clip by this split icon, delete split, so you can freeze for the videos only, reverse for videos only. You can select mirror for mirror the clip, rotate the clip, crop the clip. You can change for the aspect ratio, just click right here. You can check out for the preview panel, timeline, toolbar feature here. So you can add the audio, music available, sound effect, extract the audio from videos, add the TikTok sound. You can select text, so text template also. You can generate the auto caption. You can add the sticker, add effect, transition, filters, and many more you can get in from CapCut. Alright, so you can remove the background and add another background to your video or your photo, and you can adjust for the position and size, add the canvas, add animation, motion tracking. Alright, so after you finish editing the video, you can select export. Just click export button, the top right corner, and change for the title of your project and adjust for the place of your um, video, and just click export. Can adjust for the resolution from right and etc. Alright, it's I think it's for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. I hope this tutorial was able for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.